All right, Spartan. Let's navigate the terrain of Pig Latin with precision and accuracy. Envision yourself infiltrating a Covenant stronghold, needing a covert way to communicate with Cortana. Pig Latin is your encrypted channel. First up, the fundamentals. Pig Latin operates on a simple modification algorithm. For consonant-starting words like battle, you shift the initial consonant cluster to the end and append A, transforming it to odaytay. Consider it akin to adjusting the settings on your MA5 for optimal performance. Now, for a familiar term, energy. Since it begins with a vowel, in Pig Latin, we simply add yay at the end, becoming energy yay. Picture this as fine-tuning your shields, but linguistically. Let's deploy this in a tactical scenario. Grenade. In the thick of combat, Renade Gay could disorient the grunts as effectively as a well-placed plasma grenade. The mastery of Pig Latin, much like proficiency with UNSC tech, comes from relentless practice. As you get more adept, your linguistic maneuvers will be as quick and forceful as a strike from a Spartan laser. Time to enhance our stealth comms. We need to flank the enemy. In Pig Latin evolves into Iwe id neo te ankfle ethe enemy yay. Visualize maneuvering unseen across the battlefield, your words veiled in linguistic stealth. With time and practice, strategizing and commanding in Pig Latin will become as second nature to you as loading a clip into your battle rifle. Remember, Spartans excel by adapting and overcoming. Whether it's getting the hang of a new weapon or a novel dialect, we're always up for the challenge. Keep your energy sword honed and your Pig Latin abilities even sharper. On the battlefield, this could prove as pivotal as a strategically placed energy barrier. Now for the send-off. Let's see if you can decipher my encrypted message. Iste igalant ve. Artan spe. In ye ethe eildfe. It's ye otne us ye about ye utebre strength. It's ye about ye outwitting ye ethe adversary ye at ye every ye earn te. Iste arps he.